Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear students. Hope you are enjoying my grammar classes. Here is step 3, which topics is phrase and clause. But as this topics is a lengthy one, so for your convenience, I'm going to present this in 3 parts. Today it's part A1 of step 3, which is phrase. Here is content. What is phrase? Kinds of phrases, non-finite phrases. What is phrase? A phrase is a group of words which states sense but not complete sense. It does not contain a subject and verb. It is used as a single part of speech in a sentence. ফ্রেজের নিজস্ব কোনো পরিপূর্ণ অর্থ নেই, কিন্তু একটি সেন্টেন্সকে পরিপূর্ণ অর্থ প্রকাশে সাহায্য করে। Kinds of phrases. According to form, phrases are of 7 kinds. They are as follows: noun phrase, adjective phrase, verbal phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, interjectional phrase. Let's start. Noun phrase. A phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. It may be a subject or object or complement of a verb. Examples: walking in the morning is a good exercise. Here, subject is walking in the morning. I like eating vegetables. Here, object is eating vegetables. Shumon is the student of Dhaka University. Here, complement is the student of Dhaka University. Adjective phrase. A phrase that acts as an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective phrase. It modifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. Examples: the men of our locality are educated. Here, adjective phrase is of our locality, and it modifies the subject, the men. Verbal phrase. A phrase that works like a verb in a sentence is called a verbal phrase. Examples: she gave up smoking. We are watching television. Here, gave up and are watching are verbal phrase. Generally, we use 2 structures to make a verbal phrase. One is main verb plus preposition or adverb, and other is auxiliary verb plus main verb. Adverbial phrase. A phrase that acts as an adverb in a sentence is called an adverbial phrase. It modifies a verb, sometimes It also modifies an adverb and an adjective. Examples: Kamal walks with care. Here, adjective phrase is with care. Please follow this caution for yourself, for your society. Stay safe and clean. At last, dear viewers, if you like my tutorial, please share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get the early notification when I will upload the new videos in future. Please stay beside our channel and give your valuable constructive comments. Thank you for watching.